Welcome to Touring Car. My name is Rob, and today we're going to restore some headlights on my 2002 Audi. So as you can see, the headlight is completely fogged over. It's a little on the dirty side, so we're going to go ahead and restore it. I have a kit. I'll show you what the kit is here in just a sec. But I went ahead and already tried it out on the other side, and this is the result I got. Nice and clear, nicely restored. I like this kit. It comes out really nice versus the other ones I've used in the past. So we'll go ahead and start restoring this one. So here's the kit that I purchased to do this job. I purchased the Rain X one. It has several stages that you need to do. The first one is, well, it's different grades of sandpaper is basically what it is, with some polishing liquid. And then at the end of it, you go ahead and use a kind of like they call it restorer, but it's a chemical that helps finish cleaning it up and polishing it. And then of course we put a Rain X on it to prevent it from getting affected by rain and harder for stuff to stick on it. So the kit included the polisher and lubricant, and of course the Rain X sealant. And it came with 3 little tiny different grades of sandpaper. And as I go through it, you'll see that I switch from one to the next one as we go through this. It also came with a microfiber towel, but I got all of those. Also, what you're going to need is some tape. I go ahead and I tape around the edges, so that way the sandpaper doesn't affect the paint or the chrome that I have here. And we'll go ahead and restore it. So first we go with the pad 1. It's marked as pad 1, and then 2 and 3. Pad 1 is does it in diagonal ways. Pad 2 does it up and down, and then 3 does diagonal again. So as I go through it, you'll see the changes, and the lens will be just as clear as the other one that you saw a second ago. So let's go ahead and get started with that. Ugh. Go ahead and use some glass cleaner. It's much more clearer. There's the other side, and the whole front car. So that was restoring the headlight. It's not 100% perfect. It is an old headlight, so you'll have a little bit of try to focus. I can't focus. I'm gonna have to trying a different camera today. So that's the restoration. If you like it, if you want to subscribe, I'm also on Instagram. Again, it's the Rain X Restore for headlights, and it seemed to work fairly well for me. So if you have any questions, feel free to email me. And until then, see you on the next one.